After Julie Chrisley's resentencing hearing last week, in which the court maintained her original 84-month jail term, Todd Chrisley is worried about his wife. One of the couple's lawyers, Jay Sargent, stated in an interview with the New York Post that Todd is dissatisfied and extremely disappointed with the judge's decision on September 25. Following the resentencing setback, the site also revealed that Todd is concerned about Julie's health and welfare, particularly after she experienced what the Post described as a serious health problem while incarcerated. Following their conviction in 2022 for bank fraud and tax evasion, Julie and her husband Todd were sentenced to 7 years in federal prison. Julie was given permission to file an appeal earlier this year, and on Wednesday, at her resentencing hearing in Atlanta, the judge upheld Julie's initial conviction. Savannah Chrisley, the daughter of Julie and Todd, published letters written by her mother while she was incarcerated back in March. Julie discussed a medical condition in which a prison doctor told her she might have had a tumor in one of the letters. I assumed it was gynecology when I stepped in. After we sat down, the doctor informed me that my HCG level was elevated at 10.2. Pregnancy hormone is this. It ought not to be that elevated. If it were a bit higher, I would test positive on a pregnancy test. As it isn't possible, it might indicate a tumor, Julie wrote in the letter. She went on, I literally fell apart. How on earth is this possible? I'm going to get a scan and have my blood work redone. I haven't informed anyone yet, and I won't till I find out what's happening. I'm incredibly afraid. All I want is my hubby. Without him, I'm not sure whether I can accomplish this. After receiving a breast cancer diagnosis in 2012, Julie had a double mastectomy. In 2013, she underwent a hysterectomy as well, and subsequently declared herself to be in remission. According to People, Julie sobbed as she addressed the court during her resentencing hearing last week. I would like to say I've had years to think about what I've wanted to say, and I'm sorry for my actions and situations that led us to where we are today, Julie said. I apologize for my actions that brought us to this point. Although I have served 20 months in prison, there has been much more time spent in preparation for the trial. I have done everything I can to get closer to my family, she said. Taking tests to acquire new abilities, including operating a forklift and presenting food correctly, has been the most challenging aspect of my life. I'm sorry, but I will never be able to make up for what my kids have had to endure.